We have some important updates on the Meteora airdrop, on Jupiter airdrop for all of you staker base as well. So with that said, I want to go and jump straight to the laptop. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. First thing first is make sure to go and get your linear token. We have now live the MetaMask USD. Go and grab it, transfer some stable coins over to the stablecoin of MetaMask. This will increase the chance for the MetaMask airdrop in the future. Hold the token, trade a bit. You can do it on Jumper, 2 airdrops in one Jumper and the MetaMask one. Next up, I do want to share with you my trade. As we see here currently, I do have a hype long. Now, we did open it yesterday as well. And if we see here, I did sell it over here. I closed the long just right now and I made $253. So I took the profit, I reopened a new position. So definitely something good. And you can also come and join me on Weex. It's a non-KYC exchange and you do have a 100 position airdrop boost, which means if you deposit $200, you get $200 to trade for free. So trade, get the bonus, and simply put your money aside, trade with the bonus, do another account and another account and another account, and go and grab your bonuses like this. And as you see here, currently I do have a hype long, and as well you can come and trade my community over here on Telegram, free to join trading group. As we see here, I share all my profit and loss. I also share all the price analysis, technical analysis, and all of that. So come and join me. It's free to join. Link will be down below. But come and join me on Weex. Come and trade with me. Open a hype long. I have the take profit at $62 because we are looking into an all-time high territory, and I do think price discovery is going to happen really fast. So come and grab your free share of position. But talking about the MetaMask, which we did token here, is the MetaMask token and the official MetaMask stablecoin. One thing for Base is to go and interact with the protocol. And one of the biggest protocol on Base is Zora. We know Base is behind Zora, and we know this pump over here. If we go and look at the chart of Zora, this exponential pump from like 1 cent to 13 cent that used to be back then, as we see right here, it was made also because Base is behind. So to go and be eligible for the Base airdrop, one important thing is to go and utilize their protocol. I have created a trading coin over here on Zora, which is one of the things you can do with no holding on mine. So make sure to go and trade it. You decide the market cap, you decide the how much this token is worth. Go and trade it, buy and sell it. And as we see here, by simply buying, you can buy 0.001 of it. You can buy, as much as you want. You can buy even more and get yourself X amount of token. By buying and selling, you make this market cap go up and down. Now, this allows you to have transactions on Base. This allows you to go and spend minimal fees on any transaction if you simply buy and sell, because it is a Base protocol. So come and join me on Zora. We'll leave you the link down below. Trade with me. I think it is one of these pictures. I actually don't know. There's no top holders because I just literally created 50% is locked, 50% is in the market. So come and trade, be the first one, and make it go up, 20,000 down to 10,000. Simply go and trade it. I don't care about the market cap. It's not in my possession. So simply go and trade it. And this is one thing that will allow you to go and utilize Base for the Base airdrop and also receive the there's going to be a Zora Season 2 airdrop. Potentially, there's still reward for the community out there. But Base is behind Zora. Zora is one of the biggest protocol, as we see here, for what it is Base right now. They have made it pump just so incredibly high, as we see here. So I wouldn't let it down. I also go and trade my own token right here because I know how important it is for the Base ecosystem and for the Base airdrop. So it's completely up to you, but come and join me. Next up, we have the Meteora airdrop update. Now, listen closely because this is going to be a different airdrop. Now, we go. The product update is going to be an NFT distribution airdrop mechanic. What does this mean? Well, it means that instead of a standard token airdrop like we've used to, they've created a new way to distribute. You'll be airdrop an NFT that represents an active liquidity position in the token USDC DAM, so the token Meteora USDC, on a pool. By allowing you to do this, you have two options. First of all, it is already in a pool and you can keep it there and hold it and earn fees from all the people that buy and sell it. Yes, in the meantime, the token that it is, not the USDC, the R1, the Meteora token, could go up and down in value. But this allows you to go and grab money from the liquidity if people sell before you, so you don't left out. If you do like, if you do like the token and you do like the idea of liquidity, you can also hold it there. As we see right here, you can either instantly withdraw the liquidity and basically you remove your NFT position from the pool and receive a balance of token and USDC, which is basically the airdrop that you see. And then if you do believe in the project and on the missions that Meteora is all about, providing liquidity, then you keep it there, you keep the NFT in your wallet, and you'll earn fees from the second trading goes live. So you're basically having an airdrop which is already placed for a liquidity provider, which already generates you fees. As soon as the other people start selling it because they don't like the idea, but you have the airdrop, you have the fees collected, and so on, which I do think is kind of cool because it goes hand in hand with what Meteora is. And the NFT claiming that from some launches, you can choose between a direct token airdrop or an NFT distribution. If you select the NFT, your allocation will automatically deposit into a DAM V2 launch pool before trading. The NFT acts as your ownership keys and a share of the pool and its reward. From the moment TG goes live, your balance between the token and the USDC shifts with the market price. If the token rises, your position tilts towards more USDC, and so on if it goes on the other way. So I think it's cool, but the best thing about it is, as we see here, for the Jupiter stakers airdrop, which we all are. If you do stake your Jupiter like we have done before, here in our mission to grow the LP army 10x and our long-standing bond with the Jupiter ecosystem, Jupiter stakers will be included in the Meteora TG through the NFT distribution. Jupiter staker will receive a position NFT, instantly becoming an active LP army member, earning fees and learning how to LP from day one. The NFT distribution is designed to align Jupiter stakers with our mission, turning them into passive holders. So this means the more you stake and the longer you have staked for, the more rewards you will receive. So by simply leaving our token there, which we have done it for the past, for a good part of the year, simply go to the Jupiter here. You're basically earning rewards by simply having this position here stacked, which is absolutely amazing. And as we see here, I do have it in the Jupiter DAO. I do have it right here. If you go to the not the order check here, but the governance right here, you will be able to go and see how many tokens you have staked. And here you do have it. Simply connect your wallet, connect your Phantom wallet. I have 8,300 Jupiter token, and I've been staking since day one, and I've been voting since day one. So this is what is going to be calculated for your position airdrop. So anybody that has Jupiter staked, congratulations, you will be eligible for the airdrop, and you could potentially looking into making quite a few money, because the airdrop, yes, could be worth, let's say, a couple of $100. Fine, let's not hate on that. But the LP, the Solana ecosystem, Meteora is going to be huge, and it's probably going to be one of the leading protocol on Solana. That is going to be huge in terms of fees. Next up, we also have the Aster airdrop that you can go and claim, which it is basically backed by Binance, and it's going to be a direct competitor to what Hype is, in my opinion. And that is also why I do bet on Hype for the long one. So I am here on a long and not a short, because I do think that this competition between Aster, which is basically a perpetual decentralized exchange for Binance, backed by Binance and SageEd and all of that, and Hype, they will go hand in hand in a nice clash. Like, Hype will want to lead the way and always lead the way. Aster will follow up, so it is definitely a good buy in my opinion right now. But Hype is gonna try to do everything to increment their price, their capital, to be the leading one in the market. So that's why I am long on it, because I do think that without a shout out about we can go all the way up to 80 to 70 to 65 and so on, because this competition, I do feel it quite fiery between the two of them. And I think it's going to be healthy for this whole ecosystem. Next up, we also have the Wormhole that is announcing the next major chapter for the Wormhole token with the release of the upgraded W2.0 tokenomics, which everybody thought this announcement yesterday was an airdrop. It's not. It's going to be a Wormhole reserve, a 4% base yield on the Wormhole token, and unlocked optimization, as we see here. Yet, everybody was hoping for a second airdrop, and people that are stakers, they are just hating on it at this current time. But with that said, make sure to come and join with me over on Weex. Make sure to come and trade. Make sure to come and get your profit. Make sure to come and get your free bonuses, your free money. Do not, look away from it. And with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.